Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to use a Utrai jump starter. First, always prioritize safety. Make sure your Utrai jump starter is charged to at least 80% before use. This ensures optimal performance and reliability. Remember to put on safety glasses and gloves to protect your eyes and hands from potential hazards. Also, double-check that your vehicle's battery voltage, usually 12 volts, is compatible with the jump starter's output. This crucial step prevents damage to both your vehicle and the device. Now, let's connect the clamps. Take the red positive clamp and securely attach it to the positive terminal of your vehicle's dead battery. Next, connect the black negative clamp to a clean, unpainted metal part of the engine block, away from the battery itself. This provides a safe grounding point. Ensure both connections are firm and stable. Never allow the red and black clamps to touch each other once they are connected to the battery, as this can cause a short circuit. With the clamps securely in place, it's time to start your engine. Turn on your Utrai jump starter and observe its indicator lights. They will confirm when the device is ready to deliver power. Now, go into your vehicle and attempt to start it. Crank the engine for no more than 3 to 5 seconds at a time. If the engine doesn't immediately turn over, wait for at least 30 seconds before making another attempt. This allows the jump starter to cool down and prevents overheating. Congratulations, your vehicle is running. Now, it's crucial to disconnect the jump starter correctly. First, remove the black negative clamp from the engine block. Then, carefully detach the red positive clamp from the battery terminal. Always disconnect in this specific order to prevent sparks. Finally, remember to recharge your Utrai jump starter as soon as you can, ensuring it's ready for its next use. Store it in a cool, dry place, away from direct sunlight and extreme temperatures.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.